Have you ever updated a drawing number, sheet name, plot date, scale, or file name in AutoCAD and then spent time manually changing that information everywhere else in the drawing? This repetitive work not only wastes time, but also increases the risk of mistakes. One title block might show the correct revision, while another still displays an old value. Fortunately, AutoCAD has a powerful feature called Fields that can automatically update drawing information for you. Fields allow text objects to display data that is linked to drawing properties, object properties, dates, sheet information, and much more. When the source information changes, the field updates automatically. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use fields in AutoCAD to create smarter drawings that update themselves and reduce manual editing. First, let's understand what a field actually is. A field is a special piece of text that displays information generated by AutoCAD rather than text typed manually. For example, instead of typing a file name, you can insert a field that automatically displays the current drawing name. If the drawing is renamed later, the field updates automatically. The same concept applies to plot dates, sheet numbers, revision dates, plot scales, and project information. All of these can be linked to fields. This reduces repetitive data entry and helps maintain consistency across large projects. Instead of editing dozens of sheets individually, you update the source information and let AutoCAD update the fields automatically. If a field does not immediately update, do not panic. Type Update Field and press Enter. Select the field and AutoCAD will refresh it. You can also use Regen to regenerate the drawing and update many fields automatically. Some fields update during save operations, plotting, or reopening the drawing, depending on the field type. You should also learn about custom drawing properties. Type DWG props and press Enter. Here you can define custom properties such as project name, client name, revision number, or job code. These custom properties can then be inserted as fields throughout the drawing. When the property changes, every linked field updates automatically, making project management much easier. Another excellent use of fields is displaying viewport scales in layouts. Instead of manually typing scale information such as 1 to 100 or 1 to 50, a field can read the viewport scale directly. If the viewport scale changes later, the text updates automatically without requiring manual edits. When using fields extensively, save your title blocks and templates with field-based information already configured. This allows future drawings to benefit from automatic updates from the very beginning of the project. So, to summarize, fields are dynamic text elements that display information directly from drawing properties, object properties, dates, scales, and custom project data. Use the field command to insert them, link them to relevant information, use update field or regen when necessary, and incorporate them into title blocks for maximum efficiency. Once you start using fields, you'll spend less time updating repetitive information and more time focusing on actual design work. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use fields in AutoCAD to automatically update drawing information. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD productivity tips, troubleshooting tutorials, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.